All right, let's look at multiplication division of directed numbers. Just focus on multiplication and then at the end tell them exactly the same rules apply for division. As I said earlier, try to give them some concept that they can relate to. Some of them will be able to understand it, and some will be confused, and then you say, all right, look, all you have to do is focus on the summary table that you'll give at the end. But give them something concrete so that those who can get an understanding of it, it's so much better that they've got an understanding rather than just saying, oh, there's this table that says we must do this. So let's look at 4 multiplied by 2. Now, the meaning, we have to give these things meaning. This means move 4 paces to the right or forward every second. So that's the meaning we've got to give it. And this here is number of seconds. So if I start here and I'm moving 4 paces to the right every second, so after 1 second I'll be there, after 2 seconds I'll be there. So the result is 8. Again, do a couple of more examples like that. Now let's look at something like this. This means move 4 paces to the left every second. And again, this is number of seconds. So I'm starting here. I'm moving 4 places to the left every second. So after 1 second, I am there. And after another second, I am here. -8. I'm over there. So I'm -8 places, or I'm 8 places to the left from where I started, which is in the negative region. Now, what happens when my second number is negative? This is still 4 paces to right every second. The negative is going back in time. Where was I 2 seconds ago? So I start over here. I am moving 4 paces to the right every second. If I am here, where was I 2 seconds ago? So I'm now going back in time. So I must have been over there. So after the first second, I'm moving 4 paces to the right. And after the next second, I move 4 paces to the right. That's where I am. So 2 seconds ago, I was at -8. Again, do more examples of these. You can see that this is why I'm saying separate the 4 operations, because you don't want to be talking about this immediately after you've been talking about addition and subtraction of directed numbers. Now when you come to -4 multiplied by -2, this is 4 paces to the left every second, and this means where was I 2 seconds ago. 2 seconds back in time, or 2 seconds ago. So I start over there. I am moving 4 paces to the left every second. So where was I 2 seconds ago if this is where I am now? Well, if I'm moving to the left, I must have been somewhere over here. So you can say 1 second ago, I was there. 2 seconds ago, I was there. So now, if that's where I was 2 seconds ago, and I'm moving 4 paces to the left every second, after 1 second I'm there, after 2 seconds I'm here. So the result of -8, 4 multiplied by -2 is +8. And when you've done several examples like that, you draw up your summary table. If you're multiplying two positives, you get a positive. If you're multiplying a positive and a negative, you get a negative. If you're multiplying a negative by a positive, you get a negative. And you're multiplying two negatives, you get a positive. So this is multiplication. And then division becomes really complicated. So you simply tell them, because they're the opposites of each other, same rules apply for division.